Equality, equity, and justice. We often hear these words, but have we ever wondered what they truly mean and how they apply to our lives or how we treat each other? Hi, my name is Thelma, your guide for this video on equality, equity, and justice. What do you think of this image? Is this equality, equity, or justice? In this picture, the animals, who are considered students, are expected to write the same exam, which is to climb a tree. While the monkey would climb the tree in a blink of an eye, the bird, penguin, elephant, fish, seal, and dog would find it very difficult to climb the tree. A bird cannot climb a tree, but it can fly, whereas the others cannot. Similarly, each animal has its own strengths and weaknesses. Now, if each animal were tested based on their strengths, do we think they would each succeed? Definitely. How about this image? What would you say is displayed here? Equality, equity, or justice? From the image, we see a caretaker shoveling snow off the stairs for a group of able-bodied students, while a student in a wheelchair is asking that the ramp be shoveled first. The caretaker intends to shovel the stairs before the ramp, whereas if he had shoveled the ramp, everyone, both the able-bodied students and the student in the wheelchair, would have been able to enter the school almost immediately. I like this image because it is reflective of society. Sometimes we make allowances for the majority and forget about the minority who often fall through the cracks. In this image, we see all three concepts displayed visually in the same image but with slight modifications. In the equality section, we operate based on the assumption that everyone benefits equally when given the same support. Yet we forget that not everyone has the same starting point or background. In the equity section, we recognize that not everyone has the same starting point. Thus, support is given based on individual needs. Affirmative action is based on the concept of equity. In the justice image, we see that there is neither support nor barriers, because the cause of the inequity has been eliminated. I titled this slide Challenges to the Images Used in Presenting the Concept because there have been criticisms of the height of the people used in the image. According to Kuttner 2016, the height of the shortest person indicates that this person needs more support because he or she is inherently less capable, and not that that person has had fewer opportunities than the others in the image. Kuttner 2016 contends that this new set of images, I'm talking about these very images here, where everyone is the same height, is more appropriate because the ground level is different and is thus a more apt representation of the unequal starting points that some groups of people have in society. His idea of justice would be to tear down the fence. But then, this begs the question, who should do the tearing down? That is a question to ponder over. Thank you for watching my presentation. I hope you liked it. On this slide, you can find my references. All the images used in this presentation were taken from Google Slides. And if you need more information about the piece written by Kuttner, this link will take you directly to it. Thank you. Bye.